Good morning, April. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, Ma'am Ulfa. I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed with my work and personal life.
I'm sorry to hear that you're feeling this way. It might be possible that you're experiencing burnout. Could you tell me more about what's been going on?
Um, well, I've been working late hours and have not had much time to relax and spend with my family.
Uh, that sound that sounds really tough. It's it's possible that setting some boundaries at work could you manage your stress better. Would it be okay if I suggest a few strategies for doing help?
Yes, please. I would appreciate any advice.
Okay, thank you. One possibility is to set specific times to when you start and finish work each day. Another option be to delegate some of your tasks if that's feasible. How do those suggestions sound to you?
Um, This not reasonable. I think I can try to set a fixed work schedule.
Oh, great. It might also be helpful uh, to incorporate some relaxation techniques like mindfulness or short breaks during the day. Do you think you might be open to trying something like that?
Yes, I can try. I can try that as well.
It's okay. It might take some time to adjust, but the changes could potentially make a significant difference in how you are feeling. Uh, Please let me know if there's anything else you'd like to discuss.
Um, I will. Um, I will. And thank you for your help, Miss Ulfa.
Okay, you're welcome, April. And I'm here to support you. Uh, Check again next week to see how you are doing with these new strategies.
Okay, Miss Ulfa. Thank you so much. See you.